They said it was a ghost, a whisper in a forgotten garage buried under 50 years of silence. They said its story was over, but they were wrong. There was no sound, no shine, just the slow decay of a king without a crown. But what if a legend never truly dies? What if it's just waiting? Inside, a faded photograph held a secret, a memory of a time when this car was more than metal. It was a legacy, a promise, a dream. But time is a cruel force, and the dream had faded into a nightmare of rust and ruin. The engine was silent, the body broken. Hope was a distant memory. But this is where the impossible begins. Piece by piece, the past was stripped away. Every bolt, every panel, a story of what was lost. Fire met steel, and in a shower of sparks, a new form began to emerge. The broken body was forged anew, strength returning with every weld. The heart of the machine, once silent, was rebuilt with pure precision, ready to beat again. Then the soul was restored. Every stitch, every detail of the interior brought back to life with a master's touch. And finally, the moment of transformation. In the paint booth, a new identity was born. A deep, metallic royal blue covering the scars of the past in a blanket of pure elegance. What was once forgotten is now reborn. Not just a car, but a legend back from the shadows, a story of resurrection. If you believe in bringing legends back to life, subscribe to our channel, because this is only the beginning.